And now, Brooklyn Beauty Television, BBTV. BBTV. Everybody in the studio bringing you an up-close capture of repairing and enhancing and creating and designing custom wigs. All right, so this is a sneak peek into the process. Barbara Campbell NYC, Barbara Campbell Hair Designs. So, you know, really the beauty about custom wigs, when you get it designed and customized, that you can just customize it to whatever color. You know, you can alternate the different colors. Like right here, you have a layer that it's in black, a natural black color. Then you got a brown in here to give it that highlight effect. Okay, so a lot of the pieces that you see for the show